Go.
You ready?
Yep. Keep going.
I know, I was cutting my lights off.
Alright, you're good. I remember that bump's there. Guys, Dad's got one today at Bear Creek Lake. First fish of the day. Guy smashed it. Good job, Dad. Man, he choked that thing. He wanted that thing.
That's a little big.
Yeah.
Something broke the phone.
Yeah. That's why I think they're shedding here by the way he hit that thing. Fishing Bear Creek Lake, guys. Last video, we were fishing a pond I really can't speak the name of. So, yeah. Good fish on, guys. Good fish.
Oh yeah, there's a good one right here.
I'll get on that. Oh my God!
Ryan, get the net, get the net.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, look at that hog, guys. Get the hook out of his mouth. Look at that hog, guys. Look at that hog. Dad, that's 8 pounds.
That's not 8 pounds.
That's 8 pounds.
That's not 8 pounds.
I'm gonna weigh him.
Weigh him.
That's 8 pounds, Dad.
That's not 8 pounds, buddy.
That's 8 pounds.
That's not 8 pounds.
Oh my God, that's
Ryan,
a beast.
stop.
I'm sorry.
You get people right here. You don't need everybody knowing what's going on.
Come on, Skill.
It's a nice one.
Work.
I want a picture with him.
I don't even think I'll be able to get the freaking scale in his mouth. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, come on, Scale, please work. Oh, Dad. 7 pounds on the dot.
Let me see.
Look at that.
Let me see.
Look at that. Oh my God, that's a beast. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Whew. That's a good fish. Hang on, I'm gonna take you a picture with, hold him
Give
sideways.
me a picture. Here.
She's so big I can't even get her in the frame. My dad just caught this nice 7-pound bass right here. Look at that. Hogs. Look at the girth on that fish. We knew they was in here.
That's a monster.
Look at that bucket mouth of a fish. Oh, so let's get a release on this big girl. Let's get a release on her. Oh, come on, big girl. Come on. Look at that. Come on, big girl. Look at that. Swim off for me, big girl. Swim off. That's another. Get my net, Dad. Get my net. Get my net. Get my net. Get my net.
Settle down. Settle down.
Oh my God. Yeah. Fist bump, Dad. Fist bump. Whew, I think that's a 5-6 pounder right there. Yeah. Hold my rod. I can't get her out. Her head's stuck. Look at this hog, guys. Let's see how much she weighs. I say 6.5. What do you say?
I'm going to say she's every bit of 6. If I had to guess.
If this is 6 over 6, this will be my PB. If this is over 6.
Ryan with a big one, ladies and gentlemen.
It's thinking. It's thinking.
We're getting the weight on this one.
Not my PB, but definitely a good fish. 5 pounds, 2 ounces, guys.
That's a 7-pounder, and Ryan with the big 5.2.
Yeah.
It's a good morning so far out here. Let's get a release on her, Ryan.
Let's get a good release on her.
Let's make sure she revives good. She fought hard.
Yeah.
Make sure she's good.
She was right back up there in them bushes back there, right where you just threw.
Right. Make sure she's good and revived.
That's a big
Let her
fish.
swim on away. awesome.
Oh my
Ryan just got a bath, ladies and gentlemen.
Just got a bath.
Great job, buddy.
Thanks, man.